Hi, welcome to Old Stuff is Better. We're going to be putting together the automatic steering column for this 63 Falcon. This is the 65 steering column, and I wanted to make a note. There's a lot of videos out there on how to do this, but I wanted to make a note on a few things that we had to look out for here. Number one, I got a new collar because the old collar, and it was too bad we couldn't replace this one. This one had the top, the removable top here, that had the light that would shine through the plastic. And here's the light bulb for it and everything. The problem is the hole is just wore out, and you can see that's just not going to work anymore. It's all wallered out and everything, and that's what happens because the roll pin actually goes through, and it's secured into the lever, and it actually rotates in the aluminum housing. Bad design. It's eventually going to wear out. So this is definitely a failure part. So, but obviously Chinese part. I wanted to point something out here. You notice that this is slightly off to one side. See how it's supposed to go up and down in that channel, and it's slightly off to one side. Well, when I got the roll pin in here, it was jammed, and that would not allow the lever to go up and down. I can't do it with one hand here because it's a loaded spring in there. So I had to take it over to the grinder very gently, grind the side of the point there off of it, and so that it would go up and down in that groove there, and it does nicely now. So anyway, got that taken care of. Also, I want to point out too that this part here rubs in some raised. There's some raised pieces to this aluminum housing here. And so you want to put grease in here, otherwise that'll wear out, and then the collar will kind of flop a little bit. It fortunately is a press fit. The tube that comes in the back here from the shift lever down here, the tube runs all the way up the tube here. There's an inside tube, and it's a press fit into here, and so that worked good. But it's still a good idea to put some grease in there. So let's see, one more thing. Yeah, well, let's see, I think that's about it. You want to make sure that you get this rubber sleeve. We got a new rubber, it's a gasket, it goes up against the firewall for the gigantic hole, and then it's got two plates that secure it to the floor. But you want to get this rubber gasket and this one on before you put all this together, because if you get all the steering column all built, then you're not going to be able to get those on again. So I'm not going to, we're going to go ahead and feed the wires through the tube. There's this port here, and the wires come out on the other side. It's not going to be that big of a deal. Compressing this whole thing together is going to be a bit of a trick. It always is, because there's a big huge spring down here on this end. So what you see here, and one more thing, you want to grease both sides of the arm here, the shift arm for the automatic. It doesn't have to be any special grease, but that'll keep it lubricated, and it'll keep this from wearing out. I've seen these where they flop up and down, and this one is still real tight. So I want to grease that, and then when you're putting the tube down, the tube goes this end here. There's a ring on it, and the tube slides in. This notch here goes in a special notch in this shift arm. I'll pull this out so you can see it. Where's my notch? Oh, it's over here. Get my hands all greasy again. So there's the notch right there on the side. So we'll put that back down on there. So we just kind of make a mental note that we slide this tube in with the notch over here, and it slides in, and then it works best if you've got this tube standing on end. And then you feed the wires through. There's a great video on feeding the wires through and putting this whole thing together here. I will make a note too that what attaches this whole thing together is these square-headed bolts that come from the top side here. Okay, and don't forget, when you put this all together, don't forget to have your shift pointer in the collar here. It would be a bummer to get this all together and forget your pointer. So lots of things to remember, but just wanted to make a short video on this one here. So it's kind of a non-simple but not complicated column, and you can get a lot of things wrong. If you get it to be screwed up, you can always take it apart again. And so anyway, that's it. Old stuff is definitely better. I don't know if this is better for sure, But this is the way they did things back then. Anyway, please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you guys in the next video.